Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very cool car. It's a 2002 Camaro SS 35th anniversary convertible. Triple black, so black outside, black inside, and a black top. Super low miles. Originally from Pennsylvania. Runs and drives perfect. It is a manual transmission too, which is pretty rare. A lot of these are automatic. Brand new brakes all the way around. They're slotted and drilled rotors, front and rear. And then they have the SS Caliper Cap. Borla Exhaust, sounds fantastic. CD changer in the rear. And pretty stock. Lots of original paperwork. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, leather. Yeah, that Borla exhaust sounds so nice. And 19,620 miles. Definitely collector quality. Top, Hurst Shifter, anniversary mats, original owner's manuals, cool, original tag too, that's great, love that. Loaded with options. She is. Got a SLP black wing intake. Yeah, she's stock. Nice and reliable. LS motor. Generate a lot of power. Brakes are new too. Just put on. Lots of original paperwork. Owner's manual. And then we got all this stuff. Window sticker. It's the VIN decoder. Very cool. Wow. Perfect Carfax. And then we have lots of receipts too. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Definitely give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also take a look at our website. We got all the pricing there and everything, and a lot more cars. It's weebyautos.com. You can call me at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.